Hello, learners. I am Dr. Sudeshna Datta, Associate Professor, Finance, BIIT Bhubaneswar. Today, I'm going to share an interesting story with you. The story of Indu Devi in Koraput district. She is survived by her son and an ailing husband. For that, she's a poor farmer. For that, she has to take some loan for her ailing husband from the local sahukars in the village. Once, she saved all her money for her son's education and kept it in her house. After a certain point of time, it also got stolen. You might be wondering what a pathetic story she's narrating. But yes, it is relatable, isn't it? After some point of time, there came an officer from a public sector bank. He opened an account, an Aadhaar linked account of Indu Devi. Now she started using UPI transaction. Now again, she started using instant loan, online loan for her son's education. She also learned and became aware of insurance, doing small insurance online, that is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Now you might be wondering, wow, the life must have changed. Yes, the life of many Hindu Devi in India have changed. Welcome to the world of fintech, financial technology. Whatever I have told you today, whether opening an account with Aadhaar linked, whether doing online insurance, whether doing and getting an instant loan for her son, are all part of fintech. That is finance using different kinds of technology. This might be UPIs, that might be insurance, that might be online wallet, everything. So the world has changed, revolved, evolved after fintech came into existence. It has deeply impacted the government, the big corporate houses, business, even individuals and people like you and me. With that support, we know that it has opened a lot of career opportunities for young professionals and learners like you. So there are various employment opportunities which are also waiting in terms of fintech. Now, I must tell you that there is a difference between fintech and techfin. So, what is the difference? Fintech is essentially finance companies using technology for their easier payment system. For example, ICC Bank's iBank. This is fintech. There are companies which are technological companies and providing financial services. These are called TechFin. For example, Amazon Pay. For example, GPay, which we use very regularly. Like so, these are essentially technological companies using financial services. So today you learned that there is a difference between fintech and techfin. Now, there are different kind of subsets of fintech. It might be wealth tech. So, wealth tech focuses on robo advisories, investment options. So, what are the Indian companies which are providing this kind of services? Like Zerodha, Upstocks, Grow. These are all wealth tech companies. There is something called InsurTech. InsurTech essentially provides the solution of insurance distributionship like ACO, like Policy Bazaar. So this is called InsurTech. There is something called RegTech, regulatory technology. What does that mean? It means that it provides or it focuses on the KYC guidelines, compliance issues, fraud detections, anti money laundering provisions, all of this. So, this is called RegTech. Like this, there are many subsets. For example, LendTech, AgriTech, and many more. Another course of time, we will definitely learn about you. So, what is there for you? For you, there are different kind and various kind of career opportunities waiting for you with the support of Indian government because of the evolution of fintech. You can become product manager, risk analyst, credit analyst, and also part of regulatory system. What kind of skills do you require? You definitely require digital literacy, digital financial literacy. You require basic financial skills, basic financial knowledge, also different kind of analytical tools like Python, BI tools. These are various kind of tools. Risk analyst for risk analyst position, risk management system, understanding risk, and different kind of finance related courses. So by this time, you must have understood basic landscape of fintech. Fintech is changing the world's total financial ecosystem. You can be part of it. There is a huge career opportunity, entrepreneurship opportunity, you as an individual and part of the corporate as well. Till then, keep learning and happy learning. Thank you.